Hey! It's your neighbor. Hello?
Who's this?
Yeah, your neighbor.
What do you want?
Yeah, you stop taking my paper, otherwise I'm gonna kick some ass.
Say the fucking again?
The paper you've been stealing. You want me to kick your ass?
Number, bro. You got the wrong number.
No! I just want to get my newspaper back on a regular basis, alright? It's 50 cents every day, and I pay for the goddamn paper.
You got the wrong number.
I know who this is.
Who am I?
I know who this is. I'm tired of playing with you. Stop coming over right now! Yeah, you stop taking my paper, otherwise I'm gonna kick some ass. You want me to kick your ass? Hello? Hello? All right, here I come! Let's get it on! I want you to go get the paper right now and read it to me, because I don't know what the hell's going on in the world, because I don't have a frickin' paper. Hello? Hello? Hey!
Hang up.